Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Satwik Biswas and I have been a student of Skyy Rider institution, and my course was post-graduation diploma course on automobile designing and manufacturing. So I joined this course to learn about two-wheelers, four-wheelers and about designing, and this course has been great for me as I have learned a lot through this course, and I have recently got placed too. I suggest for to all the viewers watching this video now that you can choose Skyy Rider institution as they are good in their course subjects and they can give good placements. And if you are interested in any core subjects like automobile, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, or in designing in core sectors, you can wisely choose it. So I thank Skyy Rider institution for getting me placed in such a good company. So thank you. Have a good day.